Hello everyone, my name is Henry H. Peralde and this is my
First, let us know what is pulverization. Pulverization is the contact of people beyond national boundaries is referred to as pulverization. The principal applications is in economics, especially when transacting over a specific good or service. Now that we know the meaning of globalization, let us now proceed globalization experience. This is my experience when I eat in a restaurant like Kenny Rogers. I experience eating an American food. Also, when I go to Daiso store, I can buy some food and things that made in Japan. Also, the bag of my mother, she can experience to buy the bag that made by other country. For my experience in globalization, we are interacting in different countries by buying and eating made by other countries by interaction and integration among people, companies, and governments worldwide. That will be all for my experience in globalization. Ba't sila lumabas nila?
Ayaw mo sa idea.